Okay. Up, 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 up.
No, 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 not at 100.
Okay, okay.
The name is 100.
100. Okay.
This one. Press OK. The speed should be very slow.
Okay.
Because it is very
Hard.
deep, very thick aluminum.
Reduced to 4,000.
No, no, no. 4,000 is not okay. 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,000. Oh, sorry. 1,000.
Then okay.
Press OK. Speed scale.
Fast walk speed.
Speed scale is ideal speed.
Okay.
And fast speed is the ideal speed.
Okay.
Speed scale is this speed.
Okay.
Means 500 millimeter per minute
Close.
to cut.
Okay.
500. 0.5 multiply 1,000.
Okay.
0.5 multiply 1,000 is the actual speed. Actual speed. Actual speed is 500.
Okay.
Okay. I will press.
Okay.
Press OK. It will start. Yeah, it's already low speed. Yeah, finished. That's finished. And then off. See? Yeah. Usually clean all the part after if you do the sample.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no problem.
There should be something to achieve.
No problem. No problem. No problem. Thank you. This is for cut the method. Tomorrow I will show you to cut the
To engrave later.
engrave.
To write something on the later.
Also to
Not here.